Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power is actually available and the cord is seated. Unplug the Ps5 power cable, wait a full 60 seconds to let capacitors discharge, and then reconnect firmly. This can clear a hard lock. While you're doing that, check the outlet with another device so you know why it failed. If you see fraying or loose pins in the cable, replace it. A bad cord often mimics a dead console, and this quick reset avoids unnecessary teardown. Once done with the power reset, try forcing the Ps5 into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep at about 7 to 10 seconds. Then connect the controller via USB and try Rebuild Database or Restart. If safe mode won't appear, remove extra hardware like an M.2 SSD, USB drives, or external devices to rule out peripheral shorts. Make sure to blow dust from vents with compressed air and listen when you press power. No fan or a click points to internal power delivery issues. To finish, try one more time with a different known good power cable and outlet. If the console still shows no signs of life, you're likely facing a PSU or motherboard fault. Power supply issues can be dangerous. Avoid DIY fixes on the board unless you have electronics training. Instead, document symptoms, take photos of ports and error behavior, gather your serial number, and contact Sony support or a certified repair shop. If you must wait, store the unit in a dry, static-free spot and avoid repeated forced power cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.